principios deste século, 4 dos mellores homes do exército galego de músicos que formaban unha banda foron condenados como herexes do rock e renegados do funk. Non tardaron en fuxir para recluírse nos estudios Radar. Hoxe, convertidos na Brigada Civil do FUZ, sobreviven como músicos de fortuna. Se vostede ten algún problema e dá con eles, tal vez poida contratar a... ¡Un Cresta!
Go back when you get to the top. Yeah, yeah, I feel like you're rolling the boulder at the mid of Sisyphus. And go back when you get to the top. And I'm the king, Sisyphus. I'm the king, Sisyphus. I don't mind who I've been punished by. My eternal doom became dawn. I ain't gonna burn down, shine now. Gonna burn till dawn. I'm lost in a labyrinth, trying to run and flee, but now I'm passing the mystery gate. I'm opening door and my fear didn't let me see. I was blind and I thought that time was getting late. Fire and water blew down my renaissance. I cleaned the cinders to carry out my plans. The brilliant lights will glow so radiant. I ain't gonna burn down, shine now. Gonna burn till dawn. I ain't gonna burn down, shine now. Gonna burn till dawn. I ain't gonna burn down, shine now. Gonna burn till dawn. I ain't gonna burn down, shine now. Gonna burn till dawn. Somos Moon Cresta. Estamos na nosa casa, Master Club de Vigo. Que todo isto pase e que sirva para aprender. Isto fala da transición, chamase Transition. E quizáis todo isto valga para atopar un mundo mellor. Head does not belong to you. Greed will make us disappear. We got the wealth and whatever you fancy, but nothing can meet your needs. You got the love to got the that make you happy. You can possess everything. You're an addict, you're is driving us out. You're causing our ruin. We cast the devil, this devouring creature, with with Mother Nature. Going back, I know my decision has been made. Going back, I know there is nothing else to say. Going back, no one must ever tell me what to do. Going back, I know the way to reach that truth. My mind has changed and it's behind my wishes. I got rid of my ambition. I needed that time to multiply fishes. It's just a force of ignition. We've all been trained to consume and succeed, to be the one and only. I realize that I don't need ultra high speed, doesn't to decrease slowly. Going back, I know my decision has been made. Going back, I know there is nothing else to say. Going back, no one must ever tell me what to do. Going back, I know the way to reach the truth. Sometimes I think you feel fine, so I guess I can phone you. Though I know you are dumb, would like to hold you. But a few minutes later, I'm sure that you hate me. If your mind wants to kill me, your arms wanna embrace me. Another year has passed us by. A little bit of everyone's life. The pieces of your broken pride are spread and covered by dust and grime. You are telling your friends that I'm cruel 'cause I left you. That I've ruined your lives the first time I met you. That I have shut you down from behind like a traitor. You consider me now the biggest betrayer. Another year has passed us by. A little bit of everyone's life. The pieces of your broken pride are spread and covered by dust and grime. Another year has passed us by. A little bit of everyone's life. The pieces of your broken pride are spread and covered by dust and grime. Obrigadinho. There's a rumor all around. You can hardly hear it sound, yeah. Yeah, you. Poison Whisper Blues. E agora un pouco de dinamita. TNT. Activated. Look able to get the way you could stop it. By 11 o'clock, the hit with Bob and Nitro. Still 100 miles away. The bomb exploded on my head. It can't make any movement. Violin ends heading on and away. Follow the line till you get to your sense. Ooh, someday we don't have to get up early. Ooh, before my time is just 65. To cut his cable, just a lost survivor, never with the battle. Remember the song anytime you wake up. 44 years, you got to memorize it. Don't you forget human robot Kirby. It's Adam's fault to kick you out from the paradise. Have to get up early. Ooh, before my retirement, just 65. Ooh, someday we don't have to get up early. Ooh. Que vos presente a Mooncresta. Os tambores temos a Manuares. Dende o Porriño temos as 4 cordas ao baixo Antón F. Piru. A guitarra dende o espacio exterior, provincia de Nigrán, Manu WL, Mooncresta. Isto que ven agora chamase Watch Out. Vamos a dedicar a todas as salas que están sufrindo estes tempos duros. Watch out. Atención, amigos. E agora outra chamada de alarma. Esta é unha pregunta. Vos de que lado estades? Don't lie to you, but you don't mind. From the early morning until late at night, are you on their side? Watching the purifying right. If you believe in all the Spider-Man, say alright. Well, don't find a reason to shout. Right out. Come on and raise your voice out loud. The heavy burden you can bear, the more you think you have it you deserve, the less you will share. You're becoming just one more of them. They colonize like they're also brains. That's their game. Don't you find a reason to shout? Your patience is about to run out. Come on and raise your voice out loud. I can't stand this anymore. I can't stand this anymore. I can't stand this anymore. The fire has already broken out. It's like it uses you to go inside and know it's alright. Started blinded by ignoring heat. While you're your mold and divinity, I don't accept your creed. Don't you find a reason to shout? Your patience is about to run out. Come on and raise your voice out loud. Just try to change a simple thing. Listen to your inner voice and think. Deep inside there is a seed. Let it grow and you will see. Let's connect the will to your thoughts. Let's connect your thoughts to your acts. Let's connect your acts to your vote. Remove the pressure from his throne. Let's connect the will to your thoughts. Let's connect your thoughts to your acts. Let's connect your acts to your vote. Remove the pressure from his throne. We have to rise above all these nonsensical roads. Now we cannot wait and it is getting late. It happens day after day, so there is no time to waste. Momento. A single word could be enough to express our intentions. A brief refusal, it's so helpful to the client. No need out of or any kind of justifications. You must be consistent, tell me what you expect from life. You learn to pay to what they tell you with no reactions. Just change your ways, it's so easy if you try. Yeah. You've gotta be real to yourself. It's up to you to do the best. You've gotta be real to yourself. It's up to you to do the avoid lamenting and reject unmerited kindness. Don't be considerate to someone who always lies. At first it seems you act a little bit rude and bad-mannered, so you'll become very pleased and satisfied.